Hello viewers, again assalamu alaikum. You are watching my YouTube channel Nouman Ghazali and I am Nouman, your host. Today I am going to teach you about how to improve your writing. In previous video I teach you about I taught you about how to improve your listening skill, and today is the turn of how to improve our writing, especially for the beginners who want to learn how to improve their English writing. So I'm going to give you some tips about how to improve your writing for beginners or for other language people who wants to learn to write English easily. So before starting the video, a small request to all of you: if you are new on our channel, please subscribe my channel and like my video and share it with your friends. So get back to the topic. Let's get back to the topic. How to improve my English writing. There are some tips which will improve your writing skill. So look at the board. Number first, use power lines notebook. If you are a beginner, or you are not a beginner but your writing is weak and you cannot write straight forward English writing in one line, so you should try to use 4-line notebooks, which is for kids, which we use for kids in the first, second or third class, I mean from starting. So just like if you want to build a house and it goes wrong, so to make it correct, you should go to the base because its base is wrong. So just like that, if you are old and you are still not writing properly English, so you should go back to that base and start from the 4-line notebook. So that will help you to improve your writing. How? Using 4-line notebook, so you will learn which letter comes in which line, and the procedure is very straight to write that within the lines of the letter. So I suggest you should use 4-line notebook. Number second, do daily task on a topic. If you buy a notebook, what would you do next? You will do next daily task of about 20 sentences or 10 sentences and repeat again and again. For example, I'm writing a sentence: my name is Nouman. So I would repeat that again and again and again and again and try to write it straight forward and repeat that and again and again on that page. So it will help me to improve my writing. So number third, repeat and repeat. Just like I said, if I write our line in the top, so I would repeat that and write it in the next lines again and again. So this will improve my writing. For the final one, first know about the 3 types of letter. This is the basic point and basic tip you should know about how to improve your writing. First of all, if you are using English as a language and you are writing in English, you should know about the 3 types of letters: root letter, grass letters, and root letters, grass letter, and upper letters. So if you know about the letters type of capital letter, root letter, grass letter, so if you know about the 3 types of letters, you will write the things easily, the letters easily, because when you get to know about the letters of 3 types of letters, you should know about how, in which line they come. So let me give you an example, then you will get to understand. For example, I am writing a ghazali. So as we know, the first letter should be capital, so I will write a ghazali G in capital. Okay, within the line straight. So H, as we know, H comes in upper 3 lines. So try to write the letter within the lines. So it will give a beautiful look and it will come straight. A is between two lines of Z. Z comes in within the two lines, small. L I. Look at this name Ghazali. It is perfect and it is straightforward because I wrote the whole word within the line. I didn't use like this one, like this one. It's wrong. So for a beautiful calligraphy, you should not take classes or take courses. You should write the word just simply within the line. For example, look at another example. I am writing about Pakistan. As we know, P should be in capital. So within the line, A K, between the two lines, I S T A N. Look at this word. It comes within the line, so it is now clear and everyone can read it and can understand it. So this was our topic of how to improve our writing. In the whole video I told you about how to improve your writing. Just like again watch the video. Use 4-line notebook first. Second, do daily task on a topic. You should write repeat and repeat again that process. Number 4, first know about 3 types of letters. Should know about the 3 types of letters. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Inshallah, see you in the next video. Thank you. Assalam.